Bill, do you view it as your job to promote the movies that you act in?
Yes, and I give credit for this great quote to Carrie Nassana, who's an acting coach and an actress, and she told me that when she books a job, Carrie says, "Look, I'm a marketing partner for the life of your movie." That really adds value, because I think what it's about is, as an actor, yes, hopefully I can do the job that you hired me to do, but what can I do beyond that to add value to that? How can I not only meet your expectations, but exceed them? And I can do that by being your marketing partner for that movie forever and ever and ever. It's part of my job too.
Have you seen that trait from other actors?
Some not so much. Some think that it's, kind of grubbing to get down in the trenches and do the tweets and write about the movie, and that they just want to come in and be the actor, actress. And I can't speak for them, but for me, it doesn't work. I get much more play and I book more business when I'm a marketing partner for the movie, because what's good for the movie is good for me. It's the way that I see it.
Why do you think people don't want to do the promotional part?
I don't think it's that they don't want to work. I think it's that they don't see it as a part of their job, or they think that it enhances their status not to be involved in the promotion. But at my level of acting, I'm not an A-lister, and I can't afford not to be a full partner, because what if the film does something really well? This film that just ran at South by Southwest. Yes, I am going to be your marketing partner. I'm there. And anytime they include me on any of their publicity, I write the director and I say, "Thank you for including me. I know you didn't have to do that. Here's what I'm doing." So don't take it as an expectation that the movie is going to build you up. Your job is to build the movie up. Your job doesn't end when you step off set. In some senses, it only begins. I get 100 credits, and so I've got 100 marketing jobs. As long as those things are around, big or small, it's my job wherever I can to push them.